All right, today we're going to cover what are capital gains and the three main points to help you explain what capital gains tax are. Andrew here, and thank you for joining us for another 2-Minute Tuesday. Now, if you're new here, the channel's all about building wealth, valuing experiences over things, and giving back. So be sure to subscribe, that way you can keep building your financial knowledge. And if you're feeling generous, consider hitting that like button for me. Now, this week what we're gonna do is we're gonna cover another important financial topic called capital gains. So with that said, let's drop 2 minutes on the clock and get started. So the first point I want you to know is capital gains tax. It's a tax you pay on the positive difference between the sales price of an asset and its original purchase price. So let me give you an example. If you bought a stock at 50 bucks and you sold it at 100, you don't pay capital gains on that 100. You pay capital gains on that difference of $50. Or let's say you bought a piece of real estate for $75,000 and then you ended up selling it for $100,000. You guessed it, you would pay capital gains on that difference of $25,000. Now, the second point I want you to understand about capital gains is it's only triggered when an asset is sold and that profit is realized. So if you don't sell the asset, you don't have to pay capital gains tax. Now, the third point I want you to understand is there is a difference between short-term and long-term capital gains tax. So short-term capital gains are on assets held for a year or less, and it's gonna be taxed just like your ordinary income or your W-2 income. Now, long-term capital gains tax is tax on assets held for over a year. Now, here's the real benefit. The long-term capital gains tax for most people is way less than your normal income tax. And this is key. If you want to get ahead financially, you need to understand how to legally pay as little tax as possible. So if you can invest in an asset that when it's sold would be taxed less, that means more money in your pocket, and that's going to help you build longer term wealth. And folks, this is capital gains tax explained. So be sure to check out these other videos right over here to keep on learning and so you can grow your wealth. And if you have any further questions, please let me know.